The question is, how are we going to make sure that this shape is a rhombus? Well, we know that a rhombus is a parallelogram, so we are given a parallelogram. The only thing left for us to do is take a look at these diagonals. How can you use these diagonals, because they're given to us as probably something that we should use? How can we use these diagonals to make sure it is a rhombus? If we open up our page to 409, we will be able to see that it talks about properties of rhombuses. And in there, if we take a look, there's two properties with diagonals. 645 says, if we have a rhombus, each diagonal bisects opposite angles. So basically what that would tell us is that this angle and this angle is congruent, and this angle and this angle are congruent. But that doesn't help us because we're not given any angles. So 645 is out. 644 tells us that if it's a rhombus, then the diagonals are perpendicular. So to make sure that this is a rhombus, what we would do is we take out our protractor and we would measure this right here to see, does that end up to be 90 degrees? If that's 90 degrees, then this has to be a rhombus. So that's what we would say is, in order to make sure that this is a rhombus, we would make this angle, we will go ahead and call that's T right here. We will make sure that, well, let me go ahead and label the rest of this stuff. X, Y, Z, and W. So we would just say that we want to make sure that XTY, measure of angle XTY, is equal to 90 degrees. And if we did that, then it has to be a rhombus. So that's what we would do. Check to see if measure of XTY equals 90 degrees. And then we're done.